Throughout the process of constructing my product, I have learnt and developed new technology skills. During researching for my media product, I used a lot of websites such as Prezi and SurveyMonkey to present and collect my research information. I believe using these websites worked well as it was easy to distribute it in order to get the feedback I needed. Also, through the use of all my research tasks, such as Appendix 1 through to 10, I often had to create videos to present the information, therefore using Movie Maker to then upload it to my blog. I believe Movie Maker was a good programming source to use to present my information. However, I found that it was a very time-consuming task when creating my videos to the best of my ability. There was the process of beginning to collect and post all the information onto WordPress website, and then finding out the website was shutting down, and I believe I have learnt something from this. Though it was a time-consuming in the sense we lost some time on working on our magazine task, it was easy to transfer the information as all we had to do was save and zip the file to then export it to WordPress. When trying to use Cam Studio, a lot of the time I came across it freezing the computer, therefore leaving me at a disadvantage as I have not used Cam Studio in order to present many tasks I have done on InDesign and Photoshop. For the coursework task of taking the photographs for my magazine, I know it was a good technology process as the images I produced I believe were at a good and professional standard. Within the process of actually taking the images, a few times I came across the disadvantages of having the wrong lighting, as some of the images I have taken are of a reasonable quality. However, due to the lighting, it may be slightly tinted yellow. Scanners were used to my advantage, as I often found it easier to scan something and then upload it to my blog than to just rewrite everything onto a WordPress post. I believe the use of scanning certain work onto my blog showed the handwritten or hand-drawn processes too. One example of this is Appendix 9, the flat plans, as we had to design our magazine pages by hand. Within my magazine I had to make sure I kept my house style consistent. To get the same colours I used the picking tool. Mise-en-scene elements helped me to create the image I wanted. As my magazine title is called Underground and is of the indie genre of music, where fans enjoy gigs and festivals, I had to choose locations that I thought would be suitable. With the makeup used for my model for my main cover image, we attempted the look of dark eyes by using dark grey eye makeup and eyeliner, as it would be stereotypical as the ideal reader for my magazine.